Welcome YouTube viewers, subscribers, pyromaniacs to another Roman candle edition of Mike's Vivid Thunder Pyrotechnics, where we keep the thunder rolling 365 days out of the year. We have big American candle assortment. This pack of candles contains over 30 shots, brought to you by our friends over at Shogun Fireworks. We have 2 crackling candles. We have a flashbang, 2 superstars, and 1 whirlwind. We're gonna fast fuse this all together, get it all up in the air at once. With no further ado, let's get into it. Big American candle assortment, Shogun Fireworks. Got all 6 of them going. Shogun.
Cool.
Shogun Fireworks with the big American candle assortment, keeping the thunder rolling.